Welcome back to Tech Notes. Today I will show you how to manage, install, update and delete apps from your LG Smart TV right on the screen.
Let's get started.
Start by pressing the home button on your remote. Here in the menu at the bottom, we have some pre-installed apps, and to the right we have those two apps that I already installed. We now head into the Apps tab. This is where you will find, manage and update all your apps. Inside here we have this home screen with many recommendations. Under Featured, that shows apps based on your preferences. Entertainment, where all the apps we enjoy can be found. Games, which mainly have simple games suitable for kids. News and info talks for itself. Life, there are some good gadgets here. And education, that also have some apps suitable for kids. You can use the search icon in the top right corner to look for the app you want. Let's say Todd. Once you select it, you will see a details page before installation. Here you can quickly check the app size, rating and description to know exactly what you are installing. If everything looks good, just hit install. When it finishes, the app will show up right on your home screen. Now to keep things running smoothly, let's update. From the apps page, we select the three dots, then app update. This shows all the apps currently needing updates. We could hit update all. And also we should activate auto updates option so our apps will be up to date always. Finally, if you have got some apps you don't use anymore, it's easy to clear them out. From the same list, select Manage Apps. Here you'll find apps that can be uninstalled. Maybe we uninstall Twitch. We select it and hit the trash bin icon. Now confirm, and the app is gone. So, whether you're adding new apps, checking their details before installing, keeping them up to date, or cleaning out the ones you don't need, it's all handled inside the apps page. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to TechNotes for more LG Smart TV tips.